Hi friends, Dr. Ramadevi Papalu here, fertility specialist. Today I am going to discuss about embryo donation. There may be sperm donation, egg donation, but some people need embryo. Why and in whom the embryo donation is necessary means, in certain people, in spite of doing repeated IVF, if there is a failure, we have to think there is some problem in the embryo. In those cases, we suggest embryo donation. Lesbian women, single women who is above 40 years, those cases also embryo donation is advised. In some cases, congenital abnormalities, if there is a possibility of passing to the fetus, to the newborn, in those cases also embryo donation is essential. Embryo, from where do we get? Embryo is made from the egg donor. We take the egg donor, we take the sperm donor, and like any other IVF patient, we have to subject the donor for this whole process and prepare the embryo. We can freeze the embryos and we can prepare the endometrium of the recipient, and planned embryo transfer can be done on 18th day of periods. If many times if there is a repeated failure of implantation, endometrial receptive array assay we have to do. That means when the window of the endometrium is ready to receive the baby. So if we do this test and find exactly which day of the period, if we transfer the embryo, we get the best results. We call it as a ERA test, endometrial receptivity assay. So this is very useful in case of repeated IVF failures. Embryo donation is very simple procedure. Here we need to prepare the endometrium of the recipient with the estrogen and progesterone hormone. After monitoring serum estrogen progesterone levels and after doing the scanning, if the serum estrogen progesterone levels are satisfactory and endometrial thickness and layering are ideal, then we plan for the embryo transfer after giving gestone injection. Embryo transfer can be done on a third day or fifth day. If it is third day, it will be 6 to 8 cell stage of the embryo. If it is on the fifth day or sixth day, it will be a blastocyst. So any of these things, when we have compared retrospective analysis, both the methods, either third day or blastocyst, are giving exactly the same results. So depending upon the preference of the patient, availability of the embryos, availability of the oocytes, we can decide third day or fifth day or sixth day. So regarding embryo donation, if you have any doubts, you can put in the comment section. I will respond. Thank you. Okay.